Glaze over. I've been eating all that. Edibles. Oh my god, I look like I got the devil's fucking eyes. Ugh, goggling burp. Can you guys see me? You can see my eyes, my shiny nose, and my smile in the dark.